Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add members to your team, or in other words, to your workspace on Trello. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to do first is, of course, create a workspace which you intend to share with other people. And once you've done that and gotten it to your board, it should look something like this. Now, it will probably look like this. If I go into boards, this is what your workspace will look like initially, and as you can see, you have a blue invite workspace members button over here. You just need to enter their email address or name if you have them on Trello, and you'll be able to add them to your workspace. You can also just go directly to the members button here, click on that. You can invite them from here, filter them by name if you want to search them over here, and remove them if you so choose. And you can also click the plus to bring up this prompt again and add them if you would like. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.